And here are the crypto top headlines. First up, U.S. lawmaker proposes to cut SEC Chair Gary Gensler's salary to $1. Next, Ripple to power DZ Bank's crypto custody product. Also, Caitlin Long's Custodia Bank launches Bitcoin custody platform. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube, and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, U.S. lawmaker proposes to cut SEC Chair Gary Gensler's salary to $1. The Financial Services and General Government Bill proposes to drastically cut funding to the SEC and other government agencies. A United States lawmaker wants to strip Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler of his salary by paying him just $1 per year. In a proposed amendment to the Financial Services and General Government, or FSGG, Representative Tim Burchett suggested that Gensler's salary be brought down to $1 as part of a wider proposal to defund the regulator. First introduced on July 13th this year, the FSGG bill is a wide-ranging piece of legislation that aims to significantly reduce government spending across the board. It's estimated that Gensler earns north of $300,000 per year for his duties as head of the SEC. Burchett wasn't the only lawmaker taking aim at the SEC, with the overall bill aimed at drastically cutting funding to a number of government agencies. While introducing the bill to the House Rules Committee on November 6th, Representative Steve Womack outlined that the SEC, among other agencies, had fallen prey to regulatory overreach and was becoming an undue financial burden on the government. Womack said that the best course of action would be to defund the SEC to help limit its regulatory intrusiveness while forcing the regulator to return focus to its core mission. Specifically, we turn off rulemakings at the Securities and Exchange Commission that lack proper cost-benefit analysis and aggregate impact analysis. To be clear, the agencies under our jurisdiction perform important functions. However, many have strayed from their mandate, and the results have been a true disservice to the American people, Womack added. This isn't the first time that Gensler and his agency have come under fire from U.S. politicians. On June 12th, U.S. Representatives Warren Davidson and Tom Emmer introduced the SEC Stabilization Act to the House of Representatives, with one of the bill's primary provisions being one that would remove Gensler as chair of the SEC. If passed, the bill would fire Gensler and redistribute the power of the agency between the SEC's chair and commissioners. It would also create an executive director position and add a sixth commissioner to the agency to prevent any one political party from holding a majority sway. Davidson and Emmer have long been vocal critics of the Gensler-led SEC, with Emmer slamming Gensler as a bad faith regulator and accusing him of blindly spraying the crypto community with enforcement actions while completely missing the truly bad actors. Our next top headline, Ripple to power DZ Bank's crypto custody product. Ripple Labs subsidiary Metaco has been named as the key partner to power Germany's DZ Bank's foray as a crypto custodian. DZ Bank, one of Germany's largest banks, has decided to launch its digital asset custody platform for institutional clients, and as such has unveiled its plans to leverage Ripple's technology for the offerings. Ripple driving fusion of crypto and finance. Recently, The traditional financial system has continued its evolutionary trends, but this time with the integration of blockchain technology. Many conventional financial institutions are showing interest in crypto and its affiliated innovations and businesses. In light of this new demand, the central institution of the Volkswagen-Raffsbagen Cooperative Financial Network, popularly known as DZ Bank AG, has tapped into the trend. The German bank made the groundbreaking announcement that its commercial digital asset custody offering for institutions was going live recently. Notably, the news marked a huge milestone as DZ Bank is on its way to becoming one of the first regulated banks in Germany to launch such crypto-related offerings to institutional customers. As part of its new capacity, DZ Bank can now act as a crypto custodian for institutional clients, settling and holding crypto securities as regulated under the German Electronic Securities Act. Medico, which was recently acquired by Ripple Labs, noted that DZ Bank is utilizing Harmonize, its digital asset custody and orchestration platform, for the offering. This partnership was first announced in February after an extensive proof of concept and diligence process that evaluated the platform was conducted. After so much scrutiny, it was decided that Ripple's Medico was the right choice for DZ Bank. The alignment of Harmonize with DZ Bank's requirements around security, scalability, and optionality for adapting fast to any changes in the future was considered in the bid to make a decision. The Ripple subsidiary noted that Harmonize has played a pivotal role in empowering the launch of DZ Bank's institutional digital asset custody offering, which recently went live, per details from a press release, adding that its alignment with DEZ Bank signifies a major milestone in the journey towards merging traditional finance with the digital asset economy. Ripple Labs Medico acknowledged DZ Bank as one of the few institutions that has always prioritized regulatory compliance and security. Our next top headline, Caitlin Long's Custodia Bank launches Bitcoin custody platform. Custodia Bank's launch of Bitcoin custody follows a series of regulatory challenges the firm faced earlier this year. Custodia Bank, a cryptocurrency-friendly bank founded by Bitcoin advocate Caitlin Long, has launched its BT custody platform. The firm took to X on November 7th to announce the launch of Custodia Bank's Bitcoin custody service, targeting businesses like fiduciaries, investment advisors, fund managers, and corporate treasurers. The launch comes soon after Custodia Bank earned approval from the Wyoming Division of Banking to go live with the service, the announcement notes. Announcing the news, Custodia Bank emphasized that the platform is a non-lending bank built by Bitcoiners that offers segregated custody accounts on its custom-built Bitcoin custody platform. The statement said that Custodia Bank offers integrated Bitcoin custody and US dollar services on one platform designed to simplify user operations and reduce risks. Custodia Bank added, "Since we built our Bitcoin custody platform in-house, we are especially grateful to those willing to help us by providing user feedback." Custodia Bank's approval from the Wyoming Division of Banking follows a series of regulatory challenges for the firm. In January 2023, the Federal Reserve Board rejected the bank's application to become a member of the Federal Reserve System, saying it was inconsistent with the required factors under the law. The Fed subsequently denied Custodia's request to reconsider its membership application in its system. In a detailed report in March 2023, the Fed's board said the decision to reject Custodia's application was due to concerns about banks with a high concentration of activities related to the crypto industry. Custodia Bank opened for business in August 2023, though the Fed has blocked much of its proposed business model. Founded in 2020, Custodia is a bank aiming to bridge the gap between digital assets and the US dollar payments system and a digital asset custodian. The firm was formerly known as Avante Financial Group and is based in Cheyenne, Wyoming. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.